Hello everyone, Paulo Dunleavy here, the editor of CDN Computer Dealer News. With me here today at their first ever conference for Nutanix. The next conference is Sudeesh Nair, the Vice President of Worldwide Sales. Sudeesh, thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you, Paulo. Thanks for having me.
No worries. So one of the new approaches that we heard a lot about today is being invisible with IT infrastructure. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
So this is an important one, right? Because sometimes when people think of invisible, it could have a negative connotation. Right?
Okay.
Is my job going to be invisible? What is this going to look like, right? I think you've got to take one step back and think about how businesses are changing. If you go to, let's say, a bank. A bank used to be all about people standing in line talking to a teller. It used to be about people to people, right? IT used to wake up in the middle of the night and then do the clearance and all that stuff. Then they go back to sleep when the day starts, and the people used to do banking, people to people. And then people used to go to ATM. So it became people to machines.
Right.
But today, what is the banking? Banking is all from mobile to mobile. It's all machine to machine. The whole banking industry is now happening between machines. What happened there? A lot of things have actually, complex things got simplified and removed from your. So the fact that you don't have to go to an ATM to put a check, I can use my mobile phone to do the transactions, made the banking and the financial transactions sort of invisible to you. Now that doesn't mean banking is different, not important. It is extremely important. It does matter how you do it. The credibility, all those things matter. But what happened is, you're not driving and standing in line. Those kind of things are become unnecessary in your life, and you saved that time. Industries are doing the same thing. So for example, if I'm an IT admin, you are an IT admin for a bank, I'm another IT admin for a bank. Let's say your bank is delivering amazing good stuff for your customers. Mobile banking, all kind of stuff through your personal experience. You can have secure transaction. I'm an old bank and I'm not doing any of that. What happens? My users are all going to start going to you. So what happens? My CEO will come to me and say, why is your IT team not doing what Paulo's team is doing? What happens now? I can't tell my CEO that I'm actually sitting there and building LUNs, managing host groups and hypervisors and all these software suites and all of that. But it doesn't matter. CEOs didn't ask any of that. CEO asked, why can't you be more agile and user-focused? So IT needs to come forward more and more and more. So now, if IT needs to do more, one of two things need to happen. Either they should get more money and more people.
Resources, right?
Yeah. Or, which is not going to happen, by the way.
Yeah.
Or you have to stop doing stupid stuff. What I mean by stupid stuff is stuff that is not relevant to the business. So for example, sitting there and doing LUN creation, storage management, file management, performance management, all that stuff. If you remove all of that stuff and let IT focus on applications, user interface, user experience, business outcomes, infrastructure becomes invisible. Now this is not a choice. It's a necessity, because this is what public cloud is offering. Invisible infrastructure.